Hi guys, welcome to my new video here. Today I'm with my friends and we are actually going to do something for you guys. Today I have with my two friends over here, you can see them. It's Josephine and Emil. And we are actually going to decorate some gingerbread houses. So as you can see here, we have some gingerbread houses, 3 of them, and Josephine is just pouring up some decorations here. So we are going to go through the process of how to decorate them, and we will see how the outcome is, and we would like you all to vote on which one you think is the best afterwards. Because I know mine will be the best, but they don't trust me. So yeah, let's dive into this. So first, as you can see, Emil here, he is opening up the designing parts here to actually put on top of the houses to make it a little bit more pretty. And Josephine's house, you can see, has some scars on it, so it's healed up with sugar, so it's a bit sweeter, I guess. Yeah, she has a hole in her. Look here. It's a hole in her house. But now she will show you how to heal the house. So yeah. Just pour it. Yeah, you pour it in there. Yes.
In there?
In there, pour it.
But it's not working. Did you open it?
Yes. Look. So that's pretty much how you do this. We will show you more on how to do this. But I will do it in a time lapse instead, so I will see you guys after the time lapse so you can see the results. Yeah, so guys, I don't have any music to play here, so I'll just talk with you, since if I put music here, that's a copyright violation. So maybe I'll just some songs for you during the time. So here we go. Hi again guys, now my gingerbread house is done. It's very nice, as you can see, very nice. And you will see the other ones when they are done. They are not quite ready yet. I will give them at least 1 hour more before I will call it a day. So yeah, we will be right back with the results for you. So yeah guys, now we are done. All of the 3 houses are finally done. Mine have been done for pretty much an hour. They were very slow, my friends here. So you can see Emil here, he is not very happy with his work, because I will of course win. So you guys will actually have the deciding vote on which one is the best. You have mine here. So I took inspiration from Adidas with the stripes there. Then we have here Emil's house, very, I don't know, my house is better. And then we have Josephine's house here. It's very snowy, as you can see, and I promise it's not something else than sugar. So that's our houses, and that's pretty much it for today, guys. We have made 3 very pretty gingerbread houses. So yeah, please down here subscribe, like, and thumbs up. Yes, they can show you thumbs up, and I will do more videos like this in the future. See you guys later. Bye.